SEO is a method to bring a consistent traffic to your website. So, how should you do SEO? Hi, I'm Andres from Cleverest Consulting, and today I'm going to teach you how to do on-page SEO. Stay tuned. Before I get into this topic, make sure you watch the previous video because I had discussed some of the basic SEO in the video. When you first started on-page SEO, the first thing you have to do is to make it clear to Google of what your website is about. You may heard a lot of techniques or strategies to be success in SEO with link buildings, but it won't bring you far without an excellent on-page SEO. So here's the thing you have to put on each of your website's main page. There's one thing that you should bear in mind when using any of the SEO element, which is not overdo it. You might heard of keyword stuffing is the fastest way to rank a website to the first page. But that's not the goal for today's SEO, and you might get penalty as well. So what you need to do is to keep it simple. Think up to 5 keywords for each of the page of your website and optimize it. If you are not sure what keywords to use, you can use Google Keywords Planner to get some better ideas. So what are the tips for keyword research? The first thing that you need to do is to figure out the keywords that's suitable for your website. There is one concept that you should get familiar with, which is the long tail keywords, because it is very important for SEO. So what kind of the long tail keywords that you should look into? It should be very specific and intention driven with lower competitions that ensure you win. By being specific, it can give you a great starting to win a very targeted traffic with the less effort. Here's the combinations of 4 tools to get the best long tail keywords for free. Firstly, you can use Ebook Suggest, Moz, and a little bit of brainstorming to get the keywords. Secondly, export these keywords to the Google Keywords Planner to analyze the traffic level. Third, you can search these keywords at SEO Quick to analyze the keywords difficulty. Google Keywords Planner is designed for advertiser, but it can give you some of the ideas of traffic level. For your information, Google does not make any promise of accuracy. Therefore, these numbers are likely to be directionally correct, but it is enough for you to get on the right track. Before that, you need to register an account to use this tool, and it is free. If you want to know more about on-page SEO, feel free to download our ebook. We had created an ebook for on-page SEO checklist for free. It is including how to optimize your keywords, how to write a meta descriptions, and more. So, what do you think about this video? Leave a comment below and let us know about your opinion. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. There are more SEO videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.